So I got a request to find the appreciation rate for Whittier. So we're going to type in Whittier here, and we're going to go to a rolling 12 months of data so that it's much more predictable. Now we're going to grab this first month here for January 2016 of 440,000. Grab this last month here for 650,000 for July 2021. Now we're going to go to a home appreciation calculator. We're going to plug in these numbers for January 2016, for July 2021. Click calculate, and we get an appreciation rate of 7.35% the last 5.5 years. So now that we determined that the city of Whittier has a 7.35 appreciation rate, as you can see here on this chart, let's take a look at what the projected home value will be for a typical $750,000 home. So I went to a future home value calculator. I typed in 750,000, the 7.35 appreciation rate. We're gonna look at 3 years. Click calculate, and in 3 years, a $750,000 home is projected to be about $927,000.